In this video, we're going to discuss the parts of a parabola. So the only thing you need to know going to this lesson is what is a parabola, and really you don't even need to know that because we're going to talk about it in a second. Alright, so recall the graph of x squared. I just want to remind you, if you ever forget what a graph looks like, you can always make your chart of x values and y values. I could pick some x values, I plug those into my function. Negative 2 squared is 4, negative 1 squared is 1, 0 squared is 0, 1 squared is 1, 2 squared is 4. All right, and that gives me a bunch of points on my graph. So negative 2, 4 is on my graph, negative 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, and 2, 4 on my graph. And you can do more points, but those 5 are generally enough to see the shape of a parabola. It's just general U shape. All right, so we're going to talk about parts of a parabola. All right, so we talked about intercepts before. They're simply where the graph crosses one of the axes. All right, so this one you can do on your own. You already know what the intercepts are, but identify all the intercepts of this quadratic function. All right, the intercepts are going to be here, here, and here. So the x-intercepts are the points negative 1, 0, and 2, 0. And the y-intercept, there shall only ever be one y-intercept, is 0, negative 2. All right, so write these points as ordered pairs because it's kind of good practice, and you'll also see that your x-intercepts always have a y value of 0. Your y-intercepts always have an x value of 0. All right, this is something we've already seen before, but just looking at the graph and identifying the intercepts. All right, the new thing that we're going to learn in this lesson is the turning point. All right, the turning point, if we think about what a parabola looks like, we have these sharp parabolas, these wide parabolas, these upside down parabolas. They all have this kind of point where my graph turns and goes back the opposite direction. This point is known as the vertex. So the vertex is the turning point or the highest or lowest point of the parabola. So we're looking at this graph. What is the vertex of the graph? The vertex is that lowest point down here. The vertex is negative 1, negative 3. That's just identifying this vertex for right now. All right, what about this graph? When you're going upside down, now the vertex is the turn, but it ends up being the highest point up here. And the vertex is the point 2, 4. All right, x value, y value. All right, so here's one for you to try on your own. Identify the vertex of this quadratic. All right, I'll tell you the answer in 3, 2, 1. The answer is the lowest point, 1, negative 4. All right, so just identifying this new kind of important information about a quadratic or a parabola known as the vertex. All right, so to summarize, you need to be able to determine the following from the graph of a quadratic. You need to be able to identify what the y-intercept is, what the x-intercept is or x-intercepts are. There's possibly 2 of these, sometimes 1, sometimes 2, and the vertex. Right, there should only be one of these and one of these. All right, soon we'll be finding these ourselves, but right now you just need to do it from the graph. So go ahead and practice this. All right, practice on finding the vertex and the intercepts of these parabolas.